Anja Abendroth, and I'm one of the academic experts of the Make It Digital pillar. And in the Kronos panel, we also measured digital skills, information and communication skills, and also AI skills, such as content creation, instructing AI to generate or adapt text. And what we found surprising, that even for information and communication skills, we still see the educational digital divide, which means that especially lower qualified people are still perceiving that they have low skills in terms of literacy when it comes to the use of word processing software. And what is also striking when we come to AI skills is that we rather see that everybody is still struggling, or majority is still struggling with using AI for content creation. So our thought or recommendation based on the results is that there needs to more be done in qualifying people and taking into account that not everybody is well equipped for the digital transformation.